How to unlink your Activision account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can unlink Activision account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. I'll just be guiding you through here with the official support website of Activision. Here you can see managing your Activision account. Under it you can see linking platform accounts and you can see unlinking platform accounts. If you tap on it, you can see you may unlink individual platform accounts from an Activision account once every 12 months. So you'll only be able to do so once every 12 months. Sign into your Activision account. Then in the account linking section, find the account you wish to unlink and select unlink. Now here is a note as well. Games with cross progression store game progress on your Activision account, not your platform account. If you choose to link your platform account to another Activision account, your progress will not carry over. Your progress and content aren't lost. If you relink this platform account to the original Activision account, you can continue your progression and access your own content. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.